you guys and welcome back to my channel, everyonee here. Hi. I'm gonna go get ready like this, like I just did. He loves the smell. Okay, let's go get ready. Good morning, you guys. Well, good afternoon again, as always. It is 12:30ish. I just woke up. As you can tell, I'm really freaking tired. I woke up 2 days in a row at a really insane early time. At least early. Hello? Early for me. Like, I don't really wake up a lot in the morning because I don't have to and I like sleeping. Yeah, and what is this, man? It's like, what are you doing? I'm just so tired, you guys. Like, waking up so early 2 times in a row is just really not for me. Like, I don't know, man. I just really want to go back to bed and sleep again. But unfortunately, I can't. I always help my grandma once a week to do her groceries. So that's today. So yeah. So how have y'all been? Like, it's been quite some time that I did a little sit down and just talk about stuff and life and everything in general. And I'm sorry if I sound so tired, but that's just because I am. I put some highlighter on my brows. I did my lips with some lip pencil. And I still gotta brush my teeth and all. So yeah, that's gonna go off again. Hello. What'd you do? I love you. I'm gonna put on some foundation. My HD liquid coverage foundation lasts up to 24 hours and it's mattifying, which is something that I need because I have a pretty oily skin. Let me just put on some foundation a little bit to conceal. Hey! Don't touch my camera. When you're tired, I cannot talk. When you're tired, everything just seems to be a lot harder to do. Like, I don't know. So yesterday we went to the Efteling. That is a theme park in Holland. I went with my dad and we left around 8 o'clock in the morning. Mommy trying to film. So, what was I saying? I don't even remember. Theme park, Efteling. So, it wasn't crowded at all because of the weather, so that was amazing. Like, I think, rude. I think the waiting line we had to wait the longest for was like 4 minutes. 4 minutes, like that's nothing. Yeah, it was pretty great. I had a lot of fun. I ate a lot of food, like a lot of food. I'm still full. Let me show you real quick what we ate. Like, when we arrived at the park, we ate like a potato thing that's like fried and then they put on some spices, which was great. After that we got like popcorn with a lot of caramel sauce and some sea salt. I've never had that combination before and I love it. I'm obsessed. It's delicious. It's so good. You have to try it out if you haven't already because it's just, oh, so good. I'm still so tired. It's hard to remember everything I ate. Ooh, like these are a thing in Holland, like really round little pancakes. We call them poffertjes with banana and a lot of Nutella, which was awesome. Me and my dad shared it. We just did a virtual reality thing and it's awesome to know that they can do shit like that, but like quality sucked. It was worse than my camera and I already cry when it's dark so you see all the pixels, so like don't try it out. All the things we wanted to do, we decided to go home, otherwise we would be stuck in traffic again, but worse. Guess what? We were stuck in traffic still. We are on our way back home and we decided to leave early because we didn't want to be stuck in traffic. And guess what we are? Stuck in a crazy freaking goddamn traffic. A never-ending story. On our way home, we decided to go out and go to McDonald's and eat there. Like, I got a McChicken something with Mexican salsa. Never had it before either. Fucking love it. I love it. I swear, it's so good. I did not expect it, but I ate the whole freaking thing, I think, in 5 minutes. I didn't really vlog a lot at the park because I don't know, I didn't really feel like vlogging. I don't know what it is, but why is there mascara all the way up in my hair? I didn't really feel like vlogging, also because of the weather. Like, it was raining a little bit and then it wasn't, and I didn't want to ruin my camera. And I just really wanted to have a good time with my dad, so. This is what we're gonna do, if you can even see it in this bad, horrible lighting. With this amazing, half broken ass camera. With my broken ass tripod. My dad's struggling with the camera. 20 minutes later. Am I excited? No, because I've done this thing like 5 times in a row when it just was here, so. Well, I am excited, but not like excited because it's new, because I already done it. I really sound like a spoiled brat. Isn't it lovely when people stare at you? Like, hi, can I help you? I think I lost my dad. All the way over there. I got a little bear. My little bear. Whip. Whip. I use my Revolution palettes for almost everything. I have my contour palette and my eyeshadow palettes and my blush palette. And I don't know, I've just been obsessed with it, and why change something when it's good for you, so yeah. I'm gonna go and contour my face so the color difference of my foundation doesn't really stand out. How tired can someone be? It's almost 1 o'clock and I'm still so tired. And I've had like a full cup. This is my hand. Yeah, I have a huge cup of coffee and I'm still tired. Caffeine, do your job. What else is new? Yeah, they cut my hours at work, which sucks because I have to pay for my vacation. So I told you guys already, I'm gonna go on vacation for the first time ever. For the first time ever, I'm gonna go on an airplane, and I'm really excited, and I really want to film it all because it's just, I don't know, I want to share my experiences with you guys. Should I just leave it like this? For the rest, all is good, life is good. I have a roof above my head, which is the most important thing. So I did vlog a little bit when I went to the Efteling, so I'm gonna put in all the footage for you guys like throughout this little video. It's a good thing I have like a sense of direction, otherwise we would have gone the wrong way. Outside of the park, and now that we're in the park, also in the park. Today we are in the Efteling. I am with my daddy. I sound like a spoiled little brat, but I am. So, update time, even though for you guys I haven't vlogged a lot. It's actually been quite some time, quite a few hours. We're currently walking to the Baron. What? It is finally dry and I'm realizing I suck at vlogging today because it's only been like, what, the 4th time I grabbed my camera. But we're walking and the waiting lines are like non-existing. Alright, I'll follow you. Rip this roller coaster called the Bob. Being stripped. Right after I turned my camera off, I got hit by a nut in my head. So you guys can get a little idea of what I did. I'm really surprised my grandma hasn't called me yet. Like normally she calls me like 3-4 times a week. And she hasn't called me all week. Why are you licking my couch? For my eyes, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go in with this red. To combine the red, I'm gonna go combine to, I don't know, like talking is hard. Let's go mix it with this. Why didn't I just go for a natural look? I don't know. Alright, let's add some more highlighter from my eyeshadow palette. Well, it's not highlighter, but it shines bright, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and call it eyeliner. Highlighter. See? Talking is so hard when you're tired. Okay, no eyeliner. That's just too much of a struggle, and if I mess up, I do not want to do it again. So no eyeliner today. I like to use a big fluffy brush for my highlighter on my cheeks. A little bit up here and there. And then with my other brush, a little bit more on the tip of my nose. And with the side of it on the bridge of my nose. And then we're gonna go like this. And then that is done too. This video is just me trying to wake up. Alright, so for my brows, I'm gonna go in with my Essence eyebrow stylist set. And I'm gonna go in with the darkest color, because why not? Are you fighting over who gets to sit on me? Because nobody gets to sit on mommy now. Now that that's done, let's put on my mascara from Maybelline, even though you can't really see the text anymore. It is the Push Up Drama one. And I really need to buy a new one because this one's almost empty. Alright, because this one's almost empty, I'm gonna go to my Maybelline Miss Hippie Mascara and try to add some volume to my lashes. Alright, so I guess this is the makeup I'm gonna go wear for today. I feel like this is pretty good for someone that's just really freaking tired. So this is it, my makeup. I'm gonna go and eat, and then I'm gonna go fix my hair because it's a little bit of a greasy mess. Put on some clothes. Well, I am wearing clothes, but like, you know, actual clothes I can go outside in, even though I would wear this outside because it's extremely comfortable and warm. But yeah. Food. Alright, I have with me my sports scarf, this stuff, dry shampoo. Let's add some volume. Oh, he likes it. Achoo! He loves smells, like new shampoos, deodorants, perfumes. He does stuff like that. And that is it for this video. I want to thank you so much for watching. I really enjoyed it. Watching me be tired and try to wake up. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit a notification bell to be notified every time I upload. If you enjoyed watching me struggle to wake up, then please don't forget to leave a big thumbs up. I love you and I hope to see you next time. Bye!